Thank you for calling JVC. My name is VJ. Can I have the model number?
Um, my model number is XVC. Wait, no, sorry. What was it? HR hyphen XVC 27U.
What is it? What kind of device is it?
It's a VCR DVD combo.
Okay. HR dash and then what?
XVC 27U.
XVC27, right?
XVC
Yeah.
27U. You forgot the U at the end.
Yeah, but we don't. It's not a matter. We don't have that here. So older you need to know. Okay. Did you call here before, right?
I think I have.
Yeah. Can I have your phone number, please?
Also, I am checking ic.jvc.com and I see it is a 27U, but there's like 27US and whatever on the site.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not a very important thing. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay. So let me see. Can I have your name as well?
Larson, Larsen.
Larson, you calling from which state?
Texas.
Okay, thank you, Larson. What can I do for you?
I was just wondering where I could buy a replacement remote for this.
This one unit goes back to 2004. We don't make it anymore. Okay.
Okay. But where would I
So
be able to get a replacement remote? Like, I'm not sure if I can get it from JVC themselves.
yeah, let me check if we have it. I can see it if we
Okay.
have it. Okay. And if we don't have it, then you have to find it from anywhere online. Okay, by
Okay.
googling it.
Yeah.
Let me check it. Okay. Let me
Okay.
see if we have that. XVC 27. XCC27U.
Right.
Yes, we had this remote, but it's no longer is discontinued now. So what you do, uh, let me find the model number for you so that you can look
Yeah.
for it online. Okay?
Okay.
See if I have the model number or not. Okay?
Okay.
Maybe in eBay, who knows?
Yeah, I think I found it on eBay before. I just forgot the model number.
Mm, let me check the model number for the unit.
Hmm. I think I found it.
You found it?
LP21036 hyphen 039.
Okay, let me confirm it here. Okay, just bear with me.
Okay.
I'm gonna confirm so that you know for sure.
Yep.
Let me see the picture of it so that
Hmm.
it has that. Yeah, it doesn't have this picture. Ooh, let me see. This one doesn't it.
All right.
You said it's LP?
Yeah, LP 2103. Sorry, 21036-039.
Yeah, that's it. And underneath it says DVD and VCR, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
that's what it is.
Yeah, that is the, yeah. Looks like, yeah. So this is the exact replacement, actually. It's the exact.
All right, thanks.
So what you do, you look for eBay, maybe Amazon, maybe they
Yeah.
have them, you know. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome, man. Good luck,
Bye.
Larson. Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness.